Hi, so this is the Fitbit Air, and if you just purchased this and you're going to put it on your arm, but then you go, which way does it actually go? Should it be like this or this? And what about this little actual piece that tracks all the things? Which way does that go into everything? Well, it's not actually super clear, to be perfectly honest. First though, actually wearing the band can be done in basically whatever way you want and on whichever arm you want as well. As for alignment, I prefer it this way. But this way is also just as fine. In Google's own product images for the Air, it is worn in both ways. Also, here, don't forget to, in the Google Health app, select your device followed by device preferences and let the app know whether you are wearing the Air on your dominant or non-dominant arm. Here, the Fitbit unit then uses this setting to better judge, for example, steps and other movements that tends to differ between the dominant and non-dominant arm to get a more precise reading of your activities. As for actual position on the arm, the tracker unit goes on top of the wrist just behind your wrist bone. And as for tension, it should sit fairly snug for best possible tracking, but you should also without any issue be able to comfortably get a finger underneath the band, so it shouldn't be too tight either. So what about the actual device then? If you pop it out of its little compartment, which way do you pop it back in? Well, there's actually two small lines indicating which way it should be aligned when popped back in. The however only reason for this specific alignment actually has nothing to do with the tracking whatsoever, but merely that the little light indicator showcasing the battery level when you double tap the tracker can shine through the hole on one side of the band if positioned correctly. If you position the tracker the other way, it still works like normal, but you won't be able to see the light coming through. Alright, and that is actually about that. Please though share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye.